All right, problem number 2, we're given an equation to solve, and we're told to solve for x. That means find all values of x that make the statement true. So the first thing we should do is copy the problem. Feel free to pause the video if you need a minute to copy down the problem, and then press play whenever you're ready. All right, for starters, we should simplify the right side of this equation by taking this positive 2 and distributing. We use the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So we get 9x minus 10 equals 5x. Now we'll go plus 4x and minus 10. And now you can see we have like terms on the right side. We got 5x plus 4x. And let's see what happens now when we combine these. We get 9x minus 10 equals 9x minus 10. Now you might notice something's going on here. The left side is exactly equal to the right side. This is a special type of an equation. Let's keep going just to see what happens if we do the rest of our algebra. We want to get all the x's on one side, so we'll subtract 9x from both sides. And 9x minus 9x is 0. So you're just left with negative 10 equals 9x minus 9x is 0. And you're left with negative 10. So what you need to notice now is the variables are gone. Let's make a little note here. The variables are gone. And that means one of two things. Either there's no solution to this equation, or there's going to be infinitely many solutions. Here's how you can tell the difference. If you look at the remaining statement down here, negative 10 equals negative 10. You have to determine whether the statement is true or false. Well, this statement is true, so that means there's going to be infinitely many solutions. So we're going to write there are infinitely many solutions. Okay. Another way to say the same thing, it's a little more specific to this problem, is to say x can be any real number. Which means if you put any real number in for x, the left side is going to equal the right side. You're going to get a true statement. So whenever you have a statement that's true for every value of x, whenever you have a statement that's always true, you can say this is an identity. Okay. An identity, mathematically speaking, is a statement that is always true. So now we'll highlight our answer. There are infinitely many solutions, but we like to say two separate things. We like to say x can be any real number, which means this statement is an identity. Okay, so there's a new vocabulary word for us. Hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please bring them to class, and we'll clear up any questions you have. Thanks for watching.